Good morning, everyone. My name is Nakul Sharma. Today I am standing in front of you to deliver a lecture on G7. G7 is the group of most developed and advanced economies of the world, that is US, the UK, Germany, France, Canada, Italy, and Japan. The summits held annually and hosted by the group of its members. It is founded in the year of 1975. This is the 50th anniversary of this summit, and the recent summit had happened in Italy. Now we'll talk about the key highlight of this recent summit which had happened in Italy. The first very important point, Italy pulled out from the Belt and Road Initiative. Pakistan did not get any loan and give support and importance to the India Middle East Europe economic corridor. Also declared a big loan package for an small interest rate to Ukraine and give importance to the artificial intelligence governance. Now we'll talk about why G7 is important for India, because India has emerged an crucial player in the Indo-Pacific region as countering rising and expanding influence of China. According to the IMF, India is one of the fastest growing economy in the world. The India's strategic partnership with US, UK, France, Germany, and Italy make it a crucial player in Indo-Pacific region. India's engagement, India's emerging power to secure Russian oil and supply refined fuel to European Union make it crucial in addressing the Europe energy crisis. PM Modi attended the G7 summit in Italy for from 13 June to 15 June 2024. This is his first foreign trip in the third state term. I would like to say India's engagement with G7 is playing a crucial role in the Indo-Pacific region to countering rising influence of China, and other groups like AUKUS and Quad is also playing crucial role to countering China in the region. Thanks. Your big hand.